Dear friends, today I will discuss Section 9 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. The title of Section 9 is Provisional and Complete Specifications. Fine. So, I will explain all its subsections through my key points. Okay. So, let us proceed. Subsection 1 says, where an application for a patent is accompanied by a provisional specification, a complete specification shall be filed within 12 months from the date of filing of the application, and if the complete specification is not so filed, the application shall be deemed to be abandoned. That means subsection 1 tells us the conditions for the application to be abandoned. Fine. So here I have marked application C. That means this application should not be a convention application or an application filed under PCT designating India. That means except this type of applications, this subsection is applicable for all other application. Fine. Confusing? Actually, there should not be any confusion because we can say for an ordinary application, this subsection is applied, but for a convention application or an application filed under PCT designating India, this subsection is not applicable. Fine? Okay. And I would advise you to please read section 7 subsection 4 and try to find out if there is any linkage between these two subsections. Fine? Okay. Okay. Next we will go to subsection 2. Where two or more applications in the name of the same applicant are accompanied by provisional specifications in respect of inventions which are cognate or of which one is a modification of another, and the controller is of opinion that the whole of such inventions are such as to constitute a single invention and may properly be included in one patent, he may allow one complete specification to be filed in respect of all such provisional specifications. Fine, provided that the period of time specified under subsection 1 shall be reckoned from the date of filing of the earliest provisional specification. Okay, and here the period of time specified is 12 months from the date of filing. Just remember this. Okay, so and in this subsection you can just mark out those words or phrases underlined and you can very well understand this subsection. This is a easy one. Fine. I would say one thing, among a number of related inventions where the applicant is same, that means the applicant is same and he has filed a number of provisional specifications. Okay, then he is advised by the controller to prepare one complete specification, that is for each, okay, for all, and the date of filing is the same as that of the earliest provisional specification. Fine. This is the, we can say, gist of the subsection 2. Also I have written the meanings of meanings of two words just for reference. Okay, reckoned means calculated and cognate means related or connected. I think all of you know this, but still for reference I have mentioned here. Fine. Next, subsection 3. Where an application for a patent is accompanied by a specification purporting to be a complete specification, the controller may, if the applicant so requests, at any time within 12 months from the date of filing of the application, direct that such specifications shall be treated for the purposes of this act as a provisional specification and proceed with the application accordingly. Like subsection 1, this subsection is also applied to the ordinary applications. So, we can write here that not being a convention application or an application filed under the PCT designating India. Fine. So, we can say here that an application is accompanied by a complete specification initially. Okay, but the applicant is not sure about the complete specification. That means whatever he has mentioned in the complete specification, he may not be sure about it and he wants to rectify it. Okay, so he can apply or request within 12 months from the date of filing of the application to treat his complete specification as the provisional specification only upon only. Just read like this. Okay, the request is about to treat his complete specification as the provisional specification only. Upon getting such request, the controller may treat the complete specification as the provisional specification and proceed accordingly. Fine. Next. Subsection 4. Where a complete specification has been filed in pursuance of an application for a patent accompanied by a provisional specification or by a specification treated by virtue of a direction under subsection 3 as a provisional specification, the controller may, if the applicant so requests at any time before the grant of the patent, cancel the provisional specification and postdate the application to the date of filing of the complete specification. Earlier in some sections, I have mentioned that please refer to section 9 subsection 4. If you remember it properly, then that section was section 17. Okay, let me proceed first by telling what is post-date. Post-date is changing the priority date of a patent application to a later date. Okay, so we can say like this: complete specification is filed accompanied by a provisional specification. That means either this or complete specification filed before is treated as a provisional specification under subsection 3 that we have read just we have read it. So these two combinedly, that means either or, we can say the controller on request of the applicant before the grant of the patent cancels the provisional specification and posted the application to the date of the complete specification. Fine. Section 17(1) that just I have mentioned, section 17 subsection 1 allows the post dating of a patent application by up to 6 months, and section 9 subsection 4 allows post dating by more than 6 months. Fine. So in India also we have mentioned here, I have mentioned here that section 17 will not apply in the case where the complete specification has already been filed. Just think of it, you will get the answer. Okay. In India, section 17 of the Patents Act deals with post dating of patent application which are subject to section 9. So all subsections of section 9 must be compiled with before implementing section 17. That means section 9 will be given more importance than the section 17. Fine. So this way all the 4 subsections of section 9 is completed. So please go through my video, please go through the Barrett as well, and share my video, and please ask me any type of queries you are having, okay, in the comment box, or you can give me compliments as well. Okay, I'll be more happier to get such responses, and I would be more delighted to answer your queries. Fine. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much.